Hey guys, welcome into today's quick video market update on Ethereum. Now, we did have a little bit of news out today with some disappointing news for Ethereum. NFT sales decline. Solana surpasses Ethereum's volume. So I wonder if this is why Ethereum is actually going down a little bit more than some of the other cryptos today. There is a lot of argument in the open market right now that Solana is going to overtake Ethereum in the next bull run. Solana currently, as you can see, is around about $70 per share, and if it was to increase to the market cap in this particular run, if we do see the escalated bull run for the next 18 months to Ethereum's current market cap over 200 billion, we will easily surpass those all-time highs, and Solana will be repositioned once again above the $250 mark, which would make over a tripling from its current share price of around $70. So that would be, just off the bat news, it would go well above that, but that all depends on many metrics. But today, guys, we are looking at Ethereum because it's around about 2 to 3% down by the hour. And again, we do typically see a lot of trading volume on a Monday morning. It is just very normal in the crypto markets that we have some of the most volatile plays that happen on a Monday. Now, some really good metrics to know for you guys on technical analysis is if you're looking at these graphs, that we are now down reaching the levels of the 30 on the RSI. So if you are someone that is bullish on Ethereum, this potentially would be an extremely important part to play in an entry point. Getting in when the RSI is down typically means that things are going to reverse it back up to the upside, unless again we are in a bear market, which it is very clear that if we zoom out, we are definitely not in a bear market. We are going up with the trend. The trend is your friend. And again, we may have just broken that layer of support, but that doesn't mean that this is going to be forever. The stock market always moves in volatile ways. And again, if you are long on Ethereum, then this is a very good thing because it means that you have the potential to load the boat around the $2,000 mark, getting a nice entry on the 30 of the RSI, and again you are down below the extension of this Bollinger Band, which if you look would have been a really great place to buy. If you had bought down here, you would have had all of these run-ups, and again this is a really great thing to look at these indicators, because you can see potentially where the best times to buy and sell are, especially if you are a day trader. So this right now is showing an entry point for me. Again, none of this is financial advice, just entertainment, but this is what I'm doing with my Ethereum positions. I'm always looking for buying and selling options on the open market, and right now Ethereum is showing some really good technical signs that again, once we are going back up to that upside, especially if we get these ETF approvals, then again we are going to have some fantastic jumps to higher prices and hopefully retest those all-time highs in 2024. Now guys, I have recently put out some videos on my page. Please do check them out. They are extremely important news about the Bitcoin spot ETF from Michael Saylor and also ARK Invest's CEO Cathie Wood, and her big ideas for Bitcoin to hit a prediction of £1.5 million per coin by the year of 2030, surpassing any cryptocurrency on the open market. Today, we don't even have 1 trillion in market cap for Bitcoin, but there is so many things that are going to allow the exposure of Bitcoin to come through and be even stronger next year, especially if these ETFs are approved. We're going to see a flood of money, which is going to affect not only Bitcoin, but Ethereum, Solana, all of these other altcoins and cryptocurrencies. We could see, one of the biggest bull markets we've ever seen in crypto, and what I believe to be one of the only opportunities in our lifetime to capitalize on your capital. You could be making 7, 10, even 30x gains over the course of the next few years, especially if you are someone that's holding with the belief like I am till 2030, where we know that there's going to be a lot of institutional adoption into the space of cryptocurrency. We may even see governments and all sorts of people plow in, because we only have 21 million coins. And of course, the more people that buy in, the higher the price goes. So that community is going to continue to increase. Bitcoin is definitely here to stay. It is not something that is a scam anymore. This has been established. We are seeing so many CEOs of different companies, executives, directors, always talking in a really positive way about Bitcoin. And again, this is, like I say, it's only going to push the price of these other cryptos higher. So guys, what I'm doing today is I'm actually buying some more Ethereum because I'm extremely bullish on the long run. And again, there is so many other stocks and metrics which do actually play an important factor on the blockchain. You do actually have Avalanche as well, and if we go onto Avalanche, we can see that today's market cap, again, we have come back down to around the 14 billion mark from where we were at 16 billion. So we have actually sold off a little bit here. And again, we're just looking for that layer to touch around the RSI. Typically, though, you can see how it's been performing over the last few days. Around this area is typically a buy because it seems to be going up again past the 50 on the RSI. So these are all things to look out for. Again, we have had a massive tear in the price of Avalanche, especially over these last few days. I mean, this has gone up tremendously from where it was just the other day. We've gone up, over 500%, which is massive. But I do believe that we still have some substantial gains. And again, if you're coming on, you're looking onto that weekly or monthly, we are still down significantly from those all-time highs. If I do zoom in, you can see that when we were actually back around 2021 ending, this was around 25 to 30 billion in market cap, which is over double where it is today at 14 billion. So again, we still have plenty of room to retrace back up to those all-time highs and hit that resistance layer, and then we can start to think about what we're going to do with our money. But for now, guys, like I said, I'm extremely bullish. Go check out my other videos on Michael Saylor, Cathie Wood, and some of the other CEOs that I put videos out on to get your crypto knowledge and understanding of Bitcoin and why I believe that it is the financial instrument of the future, why people are going to hold it all over the world and they're going to use it as a main digital currency because it is here to stay. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to go down there, give this video a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Make sure you're subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you guys back in my channel. Don't forget to check out those other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.